Okay, so maybe you've seen some before and after images of people who have had awesome results using Isagenix. There are a lot of them. Or maybe something really got your attention. Maybe you're seeing yourself in some of these photos, looking to shed a few pounds or make a lifestyle change, and now you want to hear more. Great, that's what I'm here for, the more part. If I was you, I'd be asking all kinds of questions. Like, do Isagenix weight loss systems really work? Which is a great one to start with because the answer is yes. They totally work. Our weight loss systems help burn fat, fight cravings, improve overall nutrition, and sleep. But you don't have to take my word for it. There are tons of clinical studies that prove Isagenix works. In fact, the University of Illinois at Chicago published a study that found that after 8 weeks of following our weight loss program, people lost 56% more weight compared to eating a heart-healthy diet, and 2 times as much visceral fat loss. And if you don't speak medical, that's the fat around your abdomen, which can be the toughest fat to lose. And that's just one study. I could go on and on about studies published by Arizona State, University of Pittsburgh, and Skidmore College about how people lost more body fat, improved cardiovascular health markers. So does this plan work? Yes. But now you're probably asking, how does the system work? Again, another great question. And I'll answer that question by asking this one. We all do different things to feel better, right? Well, we built our weight loss system on these 3 pillars. Our first pillar is our superfood isolene shake. These are super nutrient-dense meals that help you feel fuller longer. They're packed with protein from happy grass-fed New Zealand cows, or for our plant-based people, happy fava beans, mung beans, and peas to help you maintain healthy weight and build lean muscle. You will love how they taste if you're one of those people who like super tasty things. Our second pillar is adaptogens. If you ask Mother Nature, hey, got anything to help with stress? She'd pour you a glass of our Ionic Supreme or crack open a bottle of our adaptogen elixir. These help your body adapt to stress. See what we did there? Adaptogens have a ton of hard-to-pronounce good stuff that naturally fight stress. We're talking like ashwagandha, eleuthero root, rhodiola, and more. These may be hard to say for your mouth, but the rest of your body is gonna love them. Finally is our Cleanse for Life detox support. With our weight loss system, you will practice intermittent fasting, which is great for your body. And on these cleanse days, Cleanse for Life gives your body super plant botanicals to, well, cleanse it. This gentle detoxification supports your body in removing toxins with things like aloe vera, peppermint, adaptogens, and berries. Okay, so I answered 2 big questions. Now it's my turn. What are you waiting for? With the Isagenix weight loss systems, you're going to feel better, look better, sleep better, be better. That's a whole lot of better we've crammed into easy-to-follow systems. There. If you still have questions you want answered, we can send you so much more information. All you have to do is ask.